Hello YouTube, and today I'm outside in my backyard with the DJI Mavic 2 Zoom and testing out its ability to return to home. So without further ado, stay tuned. Okay, thank you all for joining me. As I mentioned, I'm going to be testing out the DJI Mavic 2 Zoom's ability to return to home. As you can see over my shoulder here, I placed it on this black landing pad. That will be so we can determine how close it really lands to where it takes off. You'll see everything on your screen and be exactly how it works. If you have not seen, I have posted a DJI Spark as well as a DJI Mavic Air return to home test as well. Please make sure you click those and check those out if you're debating on what drone to buy. However, I got all the cameras rolling. You should see popping up on your screen right now the video from the Mavic 2. But I will simply take the drone up 200 feet straight up, and I'll fly it 1,000 feet out that way, a little bit further than my other videos because the drone is quicker itself. And then I'll simply hit the return to home function on the controller here, and you'll see it turn and hopefully land right on top of where it just took off from. So let's begin. Turn on the motors here. Okay, so just on its home point, as you can see, that's right where it took off from. It is currently at a 20, 30, 45 feet height. It is now at 75 feet. I'm gonna go up a little bit higher, so we're just at 100 feet. We'll go up 200 feet here and take it 1,000 feet out. That's my backyard. As you can see, it's really hot. It's about 90 degrees and it is September 2nd. So I'm gonna pan the camera up some. Whoops. Okay, I'm gonna go out 1,000 feet in this direction here, and then simply hit the return to home function. So let's go. Okay, so I just crossed 1,000 feet. It is very hot out here, so I'm going to simply click the return to home function here. You should see the drone turn momentarily here, and we're going to see exactly how close it can land to exactly where it just took off from. So let's just wait for it. It is returning home here. Okay, so the drone is currently landing here. I'm going to show you. Oh, there it goes, guys. Let's see it. Well, Well, sorry about that, guys. My camera here, the Sony RX100 Mark V that I was using to record most of this, it got a little overheated while out in the sun, so that's why I had to switch over to my iPhone and turn the drone off. So it's a couple minutes in between the end of that and this recording. However, as you can see, a real world test, it landed about basically a foot off of it. I should note the current winds are about 13 mile/hour gusts, so that might have threw it off a little bit in the landing, but that is a real world test under these current conditions. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe, and y'all have a great day.